Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay AliExpress with Easypaisa. So let's get into the video. So open up AliExpress and log into your account if you have an account, log in, and then if you want to make a purchase or pay with Easypaisa on AliExpress, simply add something to your cart so that we can get to the checkout page. So just add anything. So let me just choose a product and add it to my cart. So once you get to your cart here, so once you choose and go to your cart so that you can check out. So when you get to this page here, so when you check out with an item, so here under payment methods, so what you're going to do, you're going to choose your cart method. So if you want to use Easypaisa, the only way you can use it is by using your Easypaisa Visa debit card. Only if you have the Visa debit card from Easypaisa, then you'll be able to use your Easypaisa account. So if you have a card, so then hit on this, add a new card, click on it, and then simply plug in the details of your Visa debit card from Easypaisa, and then plug those in, and then hit on save and confirm, and then card will be saved, and then you can hit on place order and proceed with the payment. So that's how you can use this. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.